Yo, I'm back. I'm back. It's Rico here. And now I'm gonna show you how to complete a survey on PrizeRebel. I'm gonna get into all this other stuff you see on the screen here in a minute. We're just gonna jump straight into the survey so I can explain the most vital parts of this, because I'm trying to get some people to sign up under my name, so I can get a little bit of money and y'all can make some money too. It's not like it's just about me. You can get a lot of stuff off here, man. I made like a good $30. Like when I really needed it, I just knocked it out. Within a week I had like $30. I mean, you can make a lot more, but I just started it. So as you progress, you get a lot better. So yeah, what we're doing first right here, this is basically a qualifier, because they're gonna find surveys that are directed towards your answers right here. So it's very important. If you say no to everything, you're not gonna get a survey. You're not gonna get nothing. I mean, you might, but it'll be dull, and yeah, you don't want that. So you want to kind of answer yes to some stuff. Just kind of pick and choose. You got to pick and choose, and they'll find you a high-paying survey or a easier survey to do. So yeah, I'm just clicking through, making sure I read the questions. Just read all the questions. Definitely want to read every single question, because they trick you. And I'm gonna give you an example here in a minute. Like it'll say something retarded, and if you are not paying attention and you click the wrong thing, it's gonna boot you out of this survey. So you want to pay attention to the questions. It's very important. Just be honest, for real. Like, you know, and then like the questions will start, like they'll make you seem like you're a hypocrite, because you'll say in a question one, oh, how much do you make annually a year? You put 100,000, and then it'll ask you the same question in a different worded differently. And if you don't answer correctly, then they know you're not paying attention. You just make sure you answer the same things over and over again. See, like right here, literally right next to each other. Atlanta. Did you watch any of those? One of the following races? Atlanta. Clicked it. Then it asked you again. Did you watch any of the following NASCAR races? I put Atlanta again, because that's what I put the first time. I mean, you could probably put something different, but I'm just trying to stay consistent, you know? If you don't know, just put you don't know. It's simple as that. Simple as that. All right. Oop, something just fell. All right. Continue. So yeah, this is all a qualifier, man. Just paying attention to the questions. And the quality score up here, yeah, I'm glad I did that. The quality score is very important, because if you fail surveys, it goes down, and you'll get matched up with crappy surveys that you'll never get approved for. So it's very vital to raise your quality score, because you can move faster through your surveys without getting some trick questions or cutting you off early. It's very important. So if you do one survey and you mess up or you fail a test question, then it'll drop your quality score. So you do not want to have a low quality score. You want it to go up. And after I complete this survey, you'll see it will go up. It'll be like 101. It goes up by one, but hey, the more surveys you do, the higher it goes. I haven't been on here for a minute, so my quality score is back at 100. But now, since I got some subscribers, I want to, try to get my stuff back up in order, and try to help y'all get some money too. It's easy money, you can do 2 surveys a day for a month and make like $200. And then I got another website that's even better than this. So y'all stay tuned for that next. So yeah, I entered another survey. I closed that tab out. And here it goes. It's just qualifying questions, because it still says PrizeRebel.com. You're not on the advertiser's website, the survey, because they want to see like if there is a survey for you. So they're asking you these questions. So don't just randomly fill out stuff and randomly click things. Just kind of be consistent. I would like to have the power to fly so I can never be late for work. Yeah, that's, it says, if you could have any superpower, which one would you want and why? I told him exactly. Perfectly. Verifying, and now it's matching me with a survey. It's reading all my questions and it put me into a survey. Now this is the survey. This is how you finally at the location to start doing the survey. Like, this is where you're gonna start and this is where you're gonna finish. It shouldn't change no more after this. You already qualified, you already got the survey, you're ready to go. Now just answer the questions, read it carefully, and don't just blindly click things. You guys sign up. If y'all need help, send a comment down below, or just however you get in touch with YouTubers. I'll see whatever you post. I'll see it. I'll be watching. And you guys sign up. You get some surveys done. Enter a giveaway. I might give some stuff away for free since I'll be on this website. So it's really nothing for me to give some stuff away to my subscribers. At this point, it really doesn't matter. I don't know if they're going to throw in another trick question, but you're basically done. You can really run through this part, you know what I'm saying? But I didn't, just to make sure I didn't, get disqualified at the end of the survey. It'd be very upsetting to get disqualified at the very end. So I toughed it out, dude. I'm just, okay, I'm still going to read things, just making sure I get that money for the time I spent doing this, because they can and will disqualify you if you mess up at the end, or if you do something where they think you're not paying attention. They got like a system in place to know this type of stuff with the answers that you answer with. Excuse me. Yep. So just answering questions carefully right now. I'm not trying to take a L. So I just took all this time to do it, at least, 15 minutes? But minus the pre-survey and the qualifier and the end questions, which I'm doing now. And I'm done. Thank God. It's going to take a little minute to redirect. I thought it got stuck for a minute. I was going to be very, very upset, but it came through. See, my quality scores jumped up. That means that they know it was quality in there. I took time to read it. So they're going to definitely send me more surveys, And this is just, a rating. You don't have to do them. I'm doing everything just to make myself look better, I want to be a candidate for all of the surveys that I can get. And PrizeRebel got a lot of them. I'm going to explain here in a second when we get back to the home screen. All right, this is the survey screen. See, I got the points. I had 5 points already. It was 71 points, so that equals 76. And I just, let's see where we. Yeah, that was my daily survey. Go back home, and yeah, you can earn 5 extra points for filling that bar up right there. This is your inbox. They send you surveys to your inbox. These are not even on the website. These are like specifically for you. Now, this is the most important part. This is another way you can get points also. It's very beautiful because you just watch videos. Now, what I have 2 cell phones that I'm not using, and I just have them running all day. But you do got to watch them sometimes because they ask, are you still watching? You know how YouTube does that. So I just, pop in every once in a blue moon, make sure they're still running, refresh the page and keep on rolling. And that's free points right there. You can convert into cash. But when you do come to hideouttv.com, you want to definitely sign up, make an account for this so you get your points. Go ahead and make your account. I've already made an account, so I'm just going to sign in. All right, I'm signed in. The video starts to play. Got announcements here. I'm going to show you. You got to link your account to PrizeRebel. Here's the points right here you get after every video. They even give you a free code. You click add. Boom. You get extra points. Sweet. And that's once a day. So, like I said, I got two old cell phones running these videos, and I'm just getting free money. Here's trying to click on rewards here, but it's not working. This is account information. Nothing too major here. Maybe I can open it in a new tab or something. It is not trying to open. Are you serious? Okay, new tab. All right, so here it is. Once you make your account, you come into rewards section, which was not trying to open for me. You link your account. Like my PrizeRebel is linked up here, my username and my ID. And then I have another website. If you guys want me to earn crypto, because you can run these videos and earn Ethereum or any cryptocurrency you want, then I'll do a video on that. Give me 50 likes and I'll show you that. So now, yeah, you can redeem your points here. 63 points is not really that much. It's only 3 points, but if you just keep running your old cell phones or whatever, an old device that you have, just keep running it for a month, dude, you get at least $100 extra, you know. I'll take anything. And that's the videos, yeah, very easy. You just run videos. You just check your device periodically because they ask if you're still watching. There's plenty of surveys. PrizeRebel got mad surveys. Peanut Labs will keep you busy for a while. If you really want to go ham with it, telling you. And it's not just surveys. You can actually buy things at discounted costs. You can get money back actually for buying things, because the points is actually money. So if you purchase something on here, you get money back. You can cash that back out into your account. So yeah, you can get discounted things, trials, free stuff. You just got to sign up with your information. Like all these up here is just all the surveys. They got massive amounts of surveys for you guys. And yeah, I'm at silver rank, but here's all the ranks you can get to. You want to be at diamond, you get so much cash. Automatic prize processing, you can get it quick. You got to have 16,000 points to be considered diamond. 30% referral. That is beautiful. That's what I'm trying to get at. I'm at silver. I could have been at diamond, but I kind of slowed down when I got a job, you know, because I don't have time. I'll be tired when you work. You can't sit on the computer and do surveys all day. But yeah, like I said, I got two more websites that's actually better than this. PrizeRebel was like one of the first ones I found, but I found out about different ones. But yep, it's Rico, and I'm out. Peace.